Choosing the right windows for your Fort Worth home can seem like a daunting task with so many styles, materials, and features available. However, windows play an essential role in your home's comfort, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Whether you're building a new home, undergoing a renovation, or simply replacing your old windows, understanding your options will help you make an informed decision that enhances your living space and provides long-term value. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind when selecting the right windows for your Fort Worth home. Energy efficiency. Fort Worth experiences hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority when choosing windows. The right windows can help regulate your home's temperature, keeping it cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, which indicates they meet high energy efficiency standards. Energy-efficient windows have features like low emissivity, low E, glass, multiple panes, and gas fills between the panes that prevent heat transfer. These features can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs and make your home more comfortable year-round. Window style. The style of your windows not only affects the overall appearance of your home but also influences their functionality. Here are some popular window styles to consider for your Fort Worth home. Double-hung windows. These are versatile and easy to clean, with both the upper and lower sashes able to move up and down. They offer a traditional look and work well in both modern and classic homes. Casement windows. Ideal for letting in fresh air, casement windows open outward with a crank mechanism. They're energy efficient, as they create a tight seal when closed, and are a great option for hard-to-reach areas. Sliding windows. With horizontal sashes that slide open and closed, sliding windows are simple and provide a sleek, modern look. They are also great for homes with limited exterior space. Bay or bow windows. These windows extend outward from the home, providing extra interior space and a panoramic view of the outdoors. They're perfect for adding a unique architectural element to your living space. Picture windows. If you want to take full advantage of the scenic beauty of Fort Worth's landscape, picture windows are an excellent choice. These large, stationary windows offer unobstructed views and allow plenty of natural light into your home. Window material. The material of your windows impacts both their aesthetic appeal and their energy efficiency. There are several options to choose from. Vinyl windows. These are low maintenance and energy efficient. Vinyl windows are resistant to the elements, which makes them ideal for Fort Worth's hot summers and occasional winter freezes. They come in a variety of styles and colors and are generally more affordable than other materials. Wood windows. Known for their natural beauty and insulation properties, wood windows can add a touch of elegance to your home. However, they do require more maintenance than vinyl, as they must be regularly painted or stained to prevent weather damage. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. They offer the strength of wood but with less upkeep. Fiberglass also resists warping and is ideal for Fort Worth's fluctuating weather conditions. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are strong and lightweight, they tend to be less energy efficient than other materials. If you choose aluminum, be sure to look for models with thermal breaks to improve insulation. Climate consideration. Given Fort Worth's hot summers and occasional cold spells, it's essential to choose windows that can handle extreme weather changes. Look for windows with high-performance glass coatings that block UV rays, reduce heat transfer, and protect your home from the sun's damaging rays. Low-E glass is especially effective for reducing solar heat gain, keeping your home cool in the summer without sacrificing natural light. Window security features. Safety is always a priority when choosing windows. Look for windows that offer strong locks and secure frames. Some modern windows come with built-in safety features such as impact-resistant glass or multi-point locking systems. These can provide peace of mind, especially if you live in a high-traffic area or have small children. Budget. Lastly, budget plays an important role in your decision. While high-end windows offer superior energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, they may come with a higher upfront cost. Consider your long-term savings on energy bills and maintenance costs when evaluating your budget. Keep in mind that choosing the right windows is an investment in your home's value. Conclusion. Choosing the right windows for your Fort Worth home requires careful consideration of your needs, style preferences, and budget. By focusing on energy efficiency, selecting the appropriate style, and choosing materials that can withstand local weather conditions, you'll enjoy a home that is not only visually appealing but also comfortable and cost-effective. Whether you're looking to update the look of your home or improve its functionality, the right windows can make a significant difference.